Kelly Scrap Hot Springs, and today I am drinking wine and making wine, so seemed appropriate. We found a recipe on the internet, a 3-ingredient wine recipe, and since I spent a lot of money on wine, I thought this would be a very good opportunity for me to make my own wine, much cheaper. The 3 ingredients are sugar, Welch's grape juice concentrate, and yeast. And in our case, we used a brewer's yeast, and there are wine yeast, so we haven't tried one yet. We're going to start with what we had in the house. The only thing you need besides that is a bowl to mix your sugar in with some water, another bowl to mix your yeast, a balloon to put over your wine when it's made so that it can exhale. And I have these tongs because every utensil you use has to be sterilized. So we sterilized our bowls, our spoons, our 1-gallon container, everything. And of course you need a pin to make holes in your balloons so it can exhale. And it's very, very simple. I took 2½ teaspoons of brewer's yeast. I mixed it in a little bowl of warm water. I took 2 cups of sugar, mixed it in a bowl, warm water. I added my 2 Welch's grape juice concentrates to this 1-gallon sterilized container. I mixed in my yeast, I mixed in my sugar, I put a balloon over the top, I shook it around, and in 10 days I come back and I hope to see dead yeast sediment on the bottom. And then we're gonna cap it and let it sit for 30 days, and then hopefully, cheers, we have cheap wine.